Yeah. Okay. So, shall we introduce first?
So, thank you for giving this opportunity to introduce myself. My name is Mansi. I am from MP, but currently I am living in Hyderabad. As far as my qualification, I have completed BSc from Rani Durgavati University, Jabalpur, and my hobby are watching TV, using mobile, doing exercise, running, cooking, caring family, and studying. And this time I'm uploading video on YouTube channel. I'm learning English, and my YouTube channel name is English में jiddi. So that's all about me.
That's good. That's So, shall I introduce myself? Okay. Yeah. My name is Priya. I'm from Maharashtra. If I talk about my education, I have completed my post graduation in MBA, and I'm married. I have two kids, and my hobbies are reading, watching movie, listening music, and dancing. And my short-term goal is to do a job in MNC, like a part-time job. I'm searching, and my strength is I'm a quick learner, and I'm belongs to nuclear family
Okay, that's great. And where are you living in Maharashtra?
in Pune city.
I have visited Pune because my sister-in-law is living Pune.
Okay, that's good. When you have ever come here?
Yeah, I have gone 3 times.
Okay, okay, that's good. Next time when you will be come here, meet me.
Okay, okay. But I have gone only one temple. Ganesh temple is famous there, but I don't remember temple name is.
Yeah, Dabbu Set Halwai. That's name.
Yeah,
You know,
yeah,
yeah, it's famous here. Yeah, this temple is famous in Pune.
yeah. My sister-in-law living in Karve Nagar.
Okay, it's so far from my place. Yeah. In Pune, lots of area are there for visiting here and famous also. Like Pune is a historical place.
Historical place. Yeah,
Yeah, somebody says historical
yeah.
place.
When I go my sister-in-law, that time I go here and there because we go any shop and we do lot of shopping.
Yeah, full day is not enough for shopping here. Lots of area here to shopping.
Yeah,
So many. So you visit places when you came here in Pune?
yeah, definitely.
Okay, okay, that's good.
So what does do your husband?
Yeah, he is engineer and he in IT sector.
Yeah, my husband is also engineer.
Oh, that's good. So
My
you,
brother-in-law is also engineer and
uh,
he is IT. He
uh,
software engineer in Pune.
you communicate with your husband also in English at home?
Sometime, not every day. When I
Yeah, of
used to,
course.
yeah, when I used to learn this language, that time I used to practice, but I couldn't practice every day because I used to think my English is not good and his English is very well. If I speak wrong, so he he will he will scold me. So I never speak in my front of husband, but this time I am able to speak English. So sometimes I speak English, but all time I speak Hindi language. So my husband is called me. You are speaking English and you are speak stranger person. But whenever I come in my home, so you speak only Hindi, not English language
Yeah, it's
because
happened
my
everybody.
language is very comfortable.
Yeah, of course. Because he is fluent, na? He's fluent than our. That's why it's problem. That's why we can't talk with him. We comfortable with the Hindi.
Do you speak English with your husband?
Yeah, sometimes, but I am regularly speak with my elder son. He is 10-year-old, and I many times give suggestion and warning in English.
Which class does he study?
In third class, he's in third class.
Third class.
Yeah. And my younger daughter is 1 year old.
So is he able to speak English this time, your son?
Yeah, yeah, of course. Hmm. He teach me most of time. He teach me, Mama, you saying wrong. You saying wrong sentence. Lots of times he is saying.
You have good opportunity in your home.
Yeah,
Your son is
that's why I'm
your
learning this
son is
language.
also English speaker, and your son is also.
Yeah, he's better than me, I think. He's because I learning this language. I have two reasons behind this. One is I want to give English environment to my kids, as well as I want to do a job in future. I'm searching nowadays like a work from over 1 to 2 hours. When I get time, I will do this type of job because we can't go outside to do something. Because lots of responsibility I have, like families, children, husbands, like some in-laws. So that's why we can't go outside to do the job.
So this time you are living with your in-law family.
Yeah, I'm living with my husband only, not in-laws. Because
Where
I'm
is
new
living
to,
your in-law family?
and they living in village. Hmm.
Where
It's
is
so far
village?
from Pune city, like 300 400 kilometer from Pune. It's take 9 to 10 hours to go there.
And same, I have same position. I'm living in Hyderabad, and my in-law family and my mother family also living in MP. So there is too much far, and when 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 I come here, so I waste time 50 to 20 hours. 15 to
Yeah, of
20.
course. Yeah, yeah, of course. That is. That's
Yeah, I have reached in my home study.
okay. So when you decided to learn this language?
Because I am from MP, I am from village girl, okay? And currently I am living in Hyderabad, so their English is very necessary. And if I have to do any job, if I have to talk other person, so he know only Telugu language or English language. He does not speak Hindi language, and he does not understand Hindi language. So that's why I have too much problem. When I talk other person, that time he speak Telugu language, so I couldn't connect each other. So that's why I'm learning English, because English is very necessary.
Yeah, yeah. Because this is a global language, we need to speak in English every time. Yeah. Because some areas are their executives, their shopkeeper are talking in English, you know, and they are asking English, I'm giving in Hindi answer. It's just uncomfortable this situation we facing sometimes.
South area, all person English is very good.
Yeah, of course. Day by day, all the people are using English words sometimes. Yeah,
So, and I am from village girl, not matter, but this time I'm living in city, so their English is very necessary.
yeah, of course. You taking education in which stream? Like Marathi medium, Hindi medium, 1 to 10.
Hindi medium.
Yeah, yeah. I'm taking in Marathi medium.
Your, you speak also Hindi language.
Yeah, at home I'm speaking in Hindi language. My native language is Hindi at home.
But we can, if I am Hindi medium, so I can read Marathi language. Okay, I
Okay.
understand some word, but I can't learn Telugu language because language is very difficult.
Okay. Storybook. I'm reading storybook and watching some English content on YouTube sometimes. Uh, that's all. I'm not using lots of effort. Just talking 1 to half hour to strangers, and apart from that, using YouTube content. Like,
Yeah, because this time you are alone, I'm also alone in my home, so there is no environment in our home. Okay, so YouTube
yeah,
is very good, and if we want to speak English with standard person, so it is very good opportunity.
yeah. Because we get lots of words, vocabulary from new person. They're using lots of way, like talking word. They're using different ways. They're using different words. You know.
Yeah, and when
So, how was your day?
my day is very good, and this time
Okay.
I have reached in my mother family, so I am very happy.
Okay. So, what makes you happy?
What?
What makes you happy?
Okay, this time I have reached in my home, so when I meet my family, so I'm very happy, but
Okay.
not too much happy because my three sister is not here, and one
Mhm.
sister is in law home, one sister is doing job, and my second younger sister is preparing running.
Okay,
But
you elder one or younger? You
I
from
am I am
you elder
second.
or you younger?
Yeah.
Okay, okay.
But
So you have
Saturday,
you have two
continue.
or three siblings. You have two or three
Yeah,
siblings. Okay,
yeah. I have
okay.
four siblings, including me. And Saturday, my second sister is in my home, so I will very happy.
Yeah, I also like surprises. That I'm very happy. Every time I want anyone can came suddenly and give me a surprise. Okay,
Enjoy this conversation.
so can we meet again? Okay.
Okay, so you are looking very gorgeous, and your smile is also good.
Okay, thank you very much. Same to you, also looking pretty.